Scammers are targeting online secondhand shopping platforms. Cybercriminals are using phishing attacks on secondhand shopping sites to scam buyers and sellers in real time. Buying and selling secondhand items has become popular, as there are some platforms that allow people to do it easily from home. One of these platforms is Vinted, which is a well-known site in Europe and North America to buy and sell second-hand clothes and other items. In general, we don't need to look much further than popular places where people do business to find cybercriminals and scammers perpetrating their crimes. I'm about to dive into a case of theft that took place on Vinted platform. But this kind of crime could have started in many different marketplaces of this kind. My thanks to Louis Carones for his information on this topic. You'll find his article at the link listed. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and get involved. The victim in this case has been doing all her banking online for years. Regularly shops in many different online shops, anything from Shine and AliExpress to Amazon or Zara. And she's also familiar with second-hand item platforms, where she both buys and sells items on a regular basis. After she had some items that had yet to sell using other platforms, she decided to give Vinted a try. She had friends that have been using it for some time, and with Vinted, Helen could reach a new audience that might be interested in the items that she was looking to sell, a painting and some women's shoes. She created her account in Vinted and uploaded the two items. She was pleasantly surprised when, in a matter of seconds, she received a couple of messages from two different people who were each interested in one of the items. To her, it was especially amazing because she had had the very same items for sale on other platforms where no one had shown any interest at all. The first interested buyer on Vinted sent her a screenshot showing how he had paid for the item, and in that same screenshot was a request for the seller's phone number. At the same time, the second buyer was asking for her phone number in order to proceed with the transaction after the payment was made. I should point out that prior to this incident, she has never fallen victim to any scam before. In fact, she has been able to recognize phishing messages in the past. Louis Carones is her go-to security expert, and she knows that one must be careful. However, this time, the excitement and the rush of dealing with both sales at the same time got the best of her. She sent her phone number to the potential buyers. A few moments later, she received two different SMS messages, both from the same sender, Vinted. The text was largely the same. The only difference were the last characters in the URL. Receive payment and complete the sales at that link listed. When clicking on that link, Helen was redirected to a payment gateway with the Vinted logo on top of it, indicating that she had to fill in her credit card details to receive the payment. She went ahead and did so. After filling in the form, a loading symbol appeared, and it seemed that something went wrong. Thinking it might be a problem with her credit card, Helen entered the details of a different card. A few minutes later, she received the message on WhatsApp shown in the image. Read it carefully. You'll find out how sneaky these people are getting. Helen responded saying that she hadn't received any notifications. Some minutes later, she received additional WhatsApp messages from a different phone number. Finally, Helen received an SMS message with the name of her bank in the From field. To verify your bank card in the system, you must confirm the push notification in your bank's app. Helen opened her bank app and there was indeed a notification that she had to approve for a total of €299. She received additional instructions in WhatsApp. At that moment, she decided to contact Louis Carones. She sent him screenshots of the different messages she had received and filled him in on the rest of the story. Louis told her not to accept any payment and to block her credit card right away. Fortunately, this was an easy two-click operation in her bank app. She reported the users to Vinted as well as the phone numbers to WhatsApp and canceled her 2 credit cards. Luckily, the scammers didn't siphon money out of either of them. Money is a great motivator, and it's what drives cybercriminals. These bad actors are experienced liars and are skilled at playing with our feelings at the right time. This can cause us to make irrational decisions that under normal circumstances we would never make. Stay safe, stay secure, and keep up your guard. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.